Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on random hardware addresses on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically random hardware addresses are giving you a random MAC address, which if you're not sure, a MAC address is basically a unique identifier to your computer. And while your internet traffic can still be monitored and viewed, by your internet service provider, it doesn't make you invisible. It does provide an additional layer of security if you're in a public area, like using public Wi-Fi, for example. So I'm going to show you guys how to turn that on. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select network and internet. So up at the top, I'm using an Ethernet connection, so it's not going to show it for me, but if you're using a Wi-Fi based connection, you would just click inside of this, and then there'd be a drop down that would appear, and you want to select where it says random hardware addresses. Help protect your privacy by making it harder for people to track your device's location. And you would toggle it to the on position. So again, you would go underneath Wi-Fi up here. If you were using a Wi-Fi connection, Windows would identify that. You click on it, and then you would select the random hardware addresses option. You toggle that to the on position. One other thing I do want to mention as well is that random hardware addresses is not supported on all Wi-Fi cards. So that's certainly possible, but in our case, it's because we're using an Ethernet connection here, so clearly it's not going to be supported. But pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.